Respect for parents, respect for family, love of country and the emperor. Traditional values like that have become all but extinct in Japan today.
A few years ago, Japan's highly disciplined, almost crime-free society began showing a little wear around the edges. Young people started dropping out. Like North America in the 1950s, suddenly it was all right to just party and have a good time. Angry, aggressive teenagers were a new and frightening experience for the older generation. They witnessed the decline of Britain, then America. Now they wonder if they're seeing the first signs of their own decline. Japan still has one of the lowest crime rates in the world. For some people, it's like entering a dream world. You discover a liberating sense of freedom. You forget to be afraid. It's a live and let live world. Beer, sake, and if you want, a bottle of whiskey can be bought from vending machines like soft drinks. Even sexual fantasies are dispensed from vending machines, and yet a woman's chances of being raped here are 10 times less than in North America. You can go almost anywhere without feeling afraid. You can blow smoke in a cop's face if you're drunk. A drunk is treated like a naughty child. He's given a cup of coffee, put into a taxi, or just allowed to sleep it off for a while. If you're completely broke, the officer will lend you the train fare home. There are 2 things you don't do in Japan. You don't carry weapons, and you never take drugs. If you break these laws, you'll probably feel the police breathing down your neck.
I will never join an organization that demands my total loyalty. I will never be a slave to anyone. I will never hate anyone. I will never be afraid of anyone.
The crying went on for about an hour. There were 168 graduates, plus the instructors, and everyone said goodbye to everyone else. We asked an old officer, "Why is everybody crying?" And he told us, "These are very proud tears. I think these are the most beautiful tears a man can cry." The new recruits are sent off like conquering heroes.